Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2014 Toyota Highlander, and on this Toyota Highlander we're going to go over how you'd replace the dome lights or the rear lights. So this is in the back door, and this one has a sunroof, so there's one on this side, there's one on the other side, and there's also ones in the back for the back seat. And so they'll all be the same process. So we have this light lens cover, and so we're going to take our good non-marring tool, be able to get in there. You're going to want to be on the inside, not the side closest to the door to get it open, because the side closest to the door has a lot larger tabs on it. Hold it in, and then you just pop that cover down and off, and then you'll be able to just pull out the light bulb and get a new light. And so you would get a new light bulb for this. This light bulb is a 175. So you get a new 175, place that back into place, and then just take your cover. We want to put the tab that's closest to the door in first, and then just snap it into place. That's how you replace the dome lights on your vehicle. Like I said, there's 4 here in the back, 2 on each side, and you just repeat the process on either one. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.